What's up guys, this is AP Productions and we're back with another video. So today we're going to work on taking out this engine, and that's pretty much what we're going to be doing today. I mean, we'll try to finish today, but we'll see.
We're going to finish today. Quick, easy pull with the Bobcat, everything.
20 minutes.
20 minutes tops. But all you got to do is just grab it by, like, you'll pick it up, you'll deadlift it.
Yeah, I'll deadlift it.
Easy, and then
with one hand.
We'll pull it out, but yeah, we're gonna try getting it done. Just pretty much
today?
Started taking off everything. It started taking off the front, pretty much. Front bumper, radiator, AC, whatever, fan. Take this bar off, and there's also a bar down, I'll show you on this truck, right here, that apparently you can't take out unless you cut. But on this truck, the guy, it's kind of dark in there, cut it like that, as you can see, and then you could slide it out. So we'll probably end up doing that on this one too. So let's get started. All right, so right now, what are we doing, Phil?
We're taking the front bumper off. Gotta get these two bolts off first.
2 bolts down there,
and then 2 on the other side. Might go by hand now. Yo, YBH.
we took this thing off, the AC condenser, but I don't even know what it is.
What are you
So
doing
we get
now?
the intercooler off because we can't get the bumper off. There we go.
Get to work, man.
Oh yeah.
Who's a good boy?
Okay, bro. We'll start with this again. But yeah, we just gotta get this off. So get this off, and then everything else will just start to flow that way. So let's get it. I just pulled the intercooler off, so now we get easy access to these brackets that wouldn't come out. So hammer those out, and then I'll take the front bumper off when Phil gets here. And then here I can really show you guys what we're gonna do. So you pretty much cut this like up to here somewhere, so you still have the bar, because the bar goes like all the way up to here somewhere, to the bend. So then we can pull this out, because otherwise there's no way to get this thing out, because it goes super far over here, super far here. So if we cut it, we'll be able to slide it over, pull one side out, and then pull it all out, and then it doesn't ruin, because you can still bolt it up, so it'll be strong and everything still. So I pulled off the front bumper by myself. Phil's coming with a bucket so we could drain all the coolant out of the radiator. So
let's go.
And we gotta put it in there, bro. Nah, okay, we gotta build it first, and then we gotta put it in there. But yeah, let's drain the coolant. But you realize we have an electric ratchet that fits in there.
I guess, yeah. I mean, if you want to save some time, I guess, yeah.
I mean, I don't want to spend 3 hours here today doing this. Wow, look at that, dude.
Insane.
Bolt's already out, bro. And you just dropped it.
In the
nice.
bucket of coolant.
In the bucket of coolant.
That's good, man. We're trying to save the coolant, right?
Yeah, of course. We got all that off, pull this fan off, then we'll have a bunch of space. Work on the sides, unplug all the wiring, get it all down. The issue we are having, let me try to get a little bit better. We can't get anything on here because it hits these small little bolts, the wrench. So I take out these 2 bolts that are right here, and then I just want to get rid of one of these small ones, and I can get I have a bigger one of these that I can put on there. And I've seen a video where you can tap it down and should pop off. So I went to O'Reilly. We have a cameraman now too. I went to O'Reilly and I rented this thing so we can get the clutch fan off. So where's the screwdriver at?
Right here.
Where? So I'm gonna hold it with the screwdriver so it doesn't keep spinning, and then we should be able to get it loose.
Yeah, get it loose, Aaron.
Alright, insane, dude. Easy.
You got it loose?
Yeah, bro.
Who's a good boy?
Oh, okay. Spin it off. Who's a good boy? Spin, yeah. Oh, drop it. Bro, we need that.
It's okay, boys. I cut myself a little bit, but it's fine.
This guy, bro. Can't do anything. Alright, so now we have it all open. And we gotta take the wiring apart, so we're gonna put it back on time lapse. This is the grid here. These are known to fail, bro.
Hey, you think that one's still good?
We're not putting it on.
Oh, we're not? Okay.
Yeah, they kind of scratched, bro. Those are the ones I was saying.
I'll do the same exact like I have on.
Alright, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what we've been doing. We took the fan off, as you guys saw. Now we're trying to get all this wiring stuff. There's a lot of wires. I want to leave the wires to stay here, there, and then everything on the engine, I'm going to pull it out with the engine, and then I'll deal with it when it's out, because, I mean, that's in a tight spot. And I'd rather leave all the fuel stuff, everything there. Just unplug the two fuel lines that come back, and then just pull it out like that with everything intact. Same with the turbo here, because I'd rather, it's way easier to get to everything when it's out of the engine bay. Alright, so we've been trying to get these bolts on the transmission out. And then there's this little bend right here. I don't know how dark it is on the camera, but I'm trying to take it off so we can get that top bolt on the transmission out, because we can't from any other way. So hopefully this works, this idea of taking this off and going up from the other side. So we'll see what happens. But we finally got that bolt. Hold on. That bolt right there, we finally got it out. So now that we have that out, we can get the rest of this apart. We have to cut this right here, like I said, so we can get this bar out. And then I already have the chain ready to go. The forklift should slide off the tranny and should just come out. Pretty sure we have everything disconnected. I will double check it again, but it's looking good so far.
Cut these, we bended these
like
tabs. Now we're gonna take these bolts off, pull this off, and the next step is to take the last two bolts holding the engine, and maybe we'll pull it out. Look at that goat trying to get in the house, dude. Come on, dude. Oh, he got scared. Psych.
Alright, so
after banging this for like 20 minutes with the hammer.
It was not 20 minutes, but I sat here banging this one for a minute because the one on that truck only has the top bolts. So I didn't even think about looking on the bottom, but this one has 4 bolts on the bottom, so 2 and 2. So I sat here smacking this thing with a hammer, bending this up, wondering why it won't come out. But there is bolts inside of there, so kind of sat there and hammered it for no reason because it was not going to come out. So now we're taking these bolts off real quick, and then we'll get this bracket off. We're almost there. I mean, we've been here for like, I don't know how long it's been. It's 5:30.
Yeah.
Like 6 hours of work so far.
6 hours.
I mean, we did kind of glaze it. I went and got Taco Bell also, and went to the store.
And went to the tire shop.
So realistically, we've probably been hands-on for like 4 hours.
Yeah.
But we got a lot done in 4 hours. I mean,
we've been at the property since this morning at like 7, 8.
yeah.
It wasn't for the truck.
We weren't working on the truck only until like 12. We started working on the truck. Oh, your phone. No. I'll hammer it out. We're trying to slide it more. We gotta bend this up more. Hold on. Don't hit it. Chill, bro. I did not hit anything, bro. There we go. Hit it out. Down, bro. Alright, get in. Slide it back. There you go. Now pull it out. Woo! Yeah, he's pissed, not the tiger.
Forget it, dude.
Let's go. Alright guys, we're kind of running out of daytime, but we're getting this last bolt right here with
barely any clearance.
Yeah, there's like no clearance. As you can see, it hits the oil filter. It's already sun's down, so we just want to get that bolt out and hopefully be able to just smoothly pull it out and set it on a tire for the night.
We got this guy right here.
What are you doing, bro? Alright guys, so fortunately we couldn't get it out today. We tried, it's dark and it's getting hard to see. We have just that lamp and the Bobcat lights, but the Bobcat, as you saw in the last clip, is very weak. It's a smaller Bobcat, but we need the forks that attach like up here, not the ones that just add to the bucket, because then it's very tip forward.
And it loses its power.
Yeah, it loses a lot of strength. But let me see the flashlight real quick. You can see over there, not really, but the transmission is separating from the engine, so we know that's unbolted. And yeah, so we will see you guys next video, I guess.
Next video, yeah.
Next video, you guys will see us take it out and we'll start tearing it apart. So yeah, parts are on the way. Our second gen swap's on the way from Mayo Fab. I'll put his Instagram right here. Go check him out. He's helping us big time. And Blessed Performance also. I'll put their Instagram right there also. They're helping us out with the parts major. So yeah, guys,
let's go.
We'll see you guys very soon with this engine out and we'll start building it. So yeah, subscribe and we'll see you guys.